I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson, we discuss about the main foreign language to learn in India, which foreign language we should learn in India, and which foreign language is more beneficial than others. These are the languages that are hottest in today in India, like Chinese, French, Japanese, Russian, German, and Spanish. We'll discuss one by one. Chinese. As per the CIA World Fact Report, Chinese is spoken by around 21% people in the world. If we talk about Chinese economy, that is increasing year by year, so it will open a venue for Chinese speaker in the world. And most of the Indian student do not prefer Chinese because it's complicated in nature. This can be a positive thing for many who do not want to be a part of the competition. Though Chinese is the one of the most difficult language to learn. If you get through it, you will end up making fairly decent money. And some of the famous institute in Delhi are for Chinese language JNU and Bharati Vidya Bhavan. Spanish language. Spanish is another most widely spoken language after Chinese. It is the official language of over 20 countries in the world. Yeah. India is growing relationship with Spanish speaking countries like Latin America, Argentina, Colombia, and this is also the one of the main reasons to increasing demand for Spanish in India. Spanish is in fact one of the hottest language in India. The careers perspective for Spanish as a teacher, translator, diplomat are growing very fast. The next is Russian language. Russian is the one of the six official language of UN as per the announcement in 2013. Russian was found to be second most used language over the internet after English. Yeah, if you are looking for career in tour and travel industry, so Russian could be the hottest language for you because most of the Indian foreign visitor come from the Russia. If we are from this industry, we can attract more tourists to India. And the famous institute for Russian language is JNU and Bharati Vidya Bhavan. Japanese language. The craze for Japanese among Indians started in early 21st century. The first place to start Japanese language education in India was Pune. The first Japanese language teacher came to Pune in 1970. The University of Pune established a Japanese language course in 1977. The CBSE has recently announced that it is planning to introduce Japanese language as a part of Circular in India second school. The action by CBSE will lead to huge demand for Japanese teacher in India. Like Chinese, Japanese also come from an entirely different language route, so it's harder to learn. You'll get a less competition. And you can earn more and more if you have what to do. Now, learn German language. About 1.8% of the world population speak German. German is the most popular foreign language among Indians besides Spanish and French. German is quite famous among Indian students who are planning to study abroad because Germany offers cheaper education as compared to other European countries. The famous institute for Germans are Maximilian Bhavan, Amity School of Language, JNU, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, etc. French language. French is the official language for many international organizations such as UN, WTO, NATO, ISO, and is the official language of more than 40 countries. Other than that, it is the most frequently used language over the internet and the most famous among Indians. And you can also see that the famous Institute for French Language in Delhi is Alliance, Amity School of Language, JNU, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, and some of the colleges also offer the French language course. Which foreign language is in demand in India? So, it is not possible to suggest any one particular language because it's demand on the purpose of the person learning the language. Like Chinese. If we talk about Chinese, is the language that has the highest number of speakers, over 1 billion. Highest number of speaker that we have Chinese. with its increasing demand in global economy, it has wild it will open many career avenue for youngster. Like if we talk about Spanish is talk about Spanish is the second most widely spoken language, hold great significance over those willing to pursue higher